Welcome to Yala Hair Salon YouTube channel. I am Saurav and today we are going to talk about the three main hair patch attachment methods: clipping, taping and bonding. Let's quickly break down how each one works and which method is best for you. First method is clipping method. Clipping is a simple method. Special clips are stitched onto your hair patch. These clips hold onto your existing hairs. It gives you the full flexibility. You can wear the patch when you want and you can also remove it anytime. No need to trim or shave the center of your scalp, and because there are no adhesive, the patch lasts longer. But make sure the hold is weaker comparatively to other methods. Not ideal for swimming, bike riding or heavy activities. It can be uncomfortable if you sleep with it. So make sure to keep this thing in your mind if you want to go with clip method. And second method is bonding method. Bonding use dermatologist tested tapes or adhesive. The patch is attached directly onto your scalp by the professional. This gives you the strongest hold and it lasts around 3 to 4 weeks. It feels very natural. Most clients even forgot that they are even wearing a patch. You can swim with it, take shower, do workout or ride a bike without worrying. But it is also difficult if you apply by yourself. You need a regular professional servicing and monthly maintenance if you want to go with bonding method. And last method is called fully taping method. Fully taping uses only medicated tapes. These patch stick to the scalp with this tape. You can wear the patch day and night comfortably. It is great for self-service and it's also work well for sensitive scalps. It hold lasts around 7 to 10 days and you need to reapply it more frequently. And final verdict, if you want maximum flexibility, then go with clip one. If you want the strongest and most natural hold, choose bonding. If you prefer easy self-service, then go with full taping. And this is the video end. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like, share and subscribe. For hair patch service and consultation, call to the number which is provided in the description. And hope I will see you in next video. Till then, take care and it's a goodbye.